Join me as I dive into the question of whether law school in India is still worth the investment in 2025, and I'll be sharing my honest take. The idea of attending law school in India has been a topic of debate for quite some time. With the changing landscape of the legal profession and the increasing number of law schools, it's natural to wonder if law school is still a valuable investment. As we step into 2025, it's essential to assess the current state of legal education in India and what it means for aspiring lawyers. Law school graduates often face significant challenges in today's competitive job market. One of the primary concerns is job market saturation. With so many law schools churning out graduates every year, the competition for jobs is fierce. Many law graduates struggle to find employment in top law firms or secure high-paying jobs. Additionally, the high tuition costs of law schools in India can be a significant burden on students and their families. The financial strain can be overwhelming, especially for those who come from modest backgrounds. Furthermore, the opportunity cost of attending law school is also high, as students could be pursuing other careers or higher education opportunities. As a result, many students and parents are questioning whether law school is still a worthwhile investment. The current state of legal education in India is undergoing significant changes. There is a growing emphasis on experiential learning, with many law schools incorporating moot courts, internships, and clinical programs into their curriculum. This shift towards practical learning is helping students develop essential skills and gain hands-on experience. However, job prospects for law graduates remain a concern. While some law firms are willing to hire fresh graduates, many others prefer candidates with experience. Alternative career paths are also emerging, such as working in NGOs, government agencies, or pursuing a career in arbitration or mediation. These options may not be as lucrative as traditional law firm jobs, but they offer a sense of fulfillment and work-life balance. So, is law school in India still worth the investment in 2025? The answer depends on several factors. If you're passionate about the law and willing to put in the hard work, law school can be a rewarding experience. However, it's essential to have realistic expectations about job prospects and be prepared for the challenges that come with it. Another crucial factor is the type of law school you attend. Top-tier law schools in India often have better placement records and more extensive alumni networks. On the other hand, smaller or lesser-known law schools may struggle to place their graduates. Ultimately, the decision to attend law school should be based on careful consideration of your goals, interests, and financial situation. To sum it up, attending law school in India in 2025 can be a good idea if you're aware of the challenges and opportunities that come with it. The job market is competitive, and tuition costs are high, but with the right mindset and preparation, you can still have a fulfilling career. It's essential to weigh the pros and cons and make an informed decision. If you have any thoughts on whether law school is worth it in 2025, share them in the comments below.